Arwaru no mathiete na mbere na kugirika oriri mugomo wa arigitani uingirite thiko ya keri muthenya wa umuthi. Mwena wa Mombatha andu 7 ni makuire thutha wa gukorwo gutari na arigitani ona umwe. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa arigitani kaunti-ini yo Khadija Shekeli, andu 3 makuire wodi-ini nao angi 2 makua magithamirio thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe. Nake wa 7 akua kumana na nguraro cia kiongo thutha wa mutino wa farafara.
Was a patient who was very ill and had cancer of the bladder. So these are the 3 patients who died in the ward, and the 3 patients who died in casualty while they were being attended. 2 from road traffic accident and 1 from TB and HIV.
Nakuo thibitari-ini ya Kabarnet, mundu umwe ni akuire thutha wa kwaga utungata. Omaya magithiaga na mbere, ndugamano gatagati-ini ka SRC na kanjo ya magavana no ithiete na mbere thutha wa SRC kuga ati yo ndiregete gwikira kirore ngirimiti ya uiguano ucio.
It is regrettable that the blame in honoring the CBA is being placed at the doorsteps of SRC. We have called this press conference to probably put things very clearly, because we are noticing a trend where when people fail to take responsibility, they look for a scapegoat. And we happen to have been the scapegoat in the past period of time.
Uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni Kameme TV thibitari-ini ya Kiambu uronania ati aingi a arwaru matiuma na agwika otiga gwetha urigitani thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe. Oriri marigitari a gikiro kia nurses magomete guothe bururi-ini. Arwaru no mathiete na mbere na kuria ruo, nao ene arwaru magathie na mbere na guthamia arwaru mathibitari-ini ma andu kiumbe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ndiguku mwena wa Kiambu. Ni njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.